Sir, do you know why I pulled you over? Because you drove like the damage government property, like my car. You know that, sir? Sir, can you please turn off your engine and stay inside in your vehicle? And sir, I'm gonna request some documents. I'm gonna check your identification. Okay, sir. Just wait for a while. I'm gonna check your identification, sir.
Give me a charger, Mr. Bellet. Can you give me a charger?
I already knew you was gonna ask for one.
Or
I'm on it.
Real often. I'll have to add when you want them later.
Officer Reza, are you busy? Can you do me a favor? Can you drive me to HB and pick up the two DCP, sir, and bring us back? Thank you very much.
what they in the back of HP?
Yes, I'll tell them to come in the back of HB.
Sir, I already checked your identification, and for now, you don't have any violation. I'll give your passport. And for now, sir, for your first offense, I'm gonna write warning ticket. Okay, sir. Thank you, and you will free to go when I get back in my car, sir. Thank you.